here, and today I'm going to be doing a St. Patrick's Day makeup inspired look. I'm filming this on St. Patrick's Day. Today is St. Patrick's Day, that's why I'm wearing a tie-dye shirt that has green in it, so I don't have to get pinched. And if you guys aren't wearing green, I'm going to pinch you through the camera screen. Pinch, pinch. Wait a second. That should be a song. Let's get started. So I'm going to be using this little flat brush. I'm going to be using this Hard Candy eye primer, and I'm going to put 2 little dots on the back of my hand. Then I want to take my brush and I'm going to pick up those 2 little dots. I'm going to put it on my eyes. Pick up the other little dot, put on my eye. And I've never really worked with greens before, so this should be interesting. So. Alright guys, I'm going to go grab my green palettes and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I grabbed 3 palettes that had the most dark green and the most light green. And I grabbed some tape because I'm doing a cat eye crease cut. So, let's get started. The palettes that I picked up is Supernova by BH Cosmetics. My Take Me Back to Brazil palette by BH Cosmetics. My Violet Vase Lord Lee Pro Eye Shades. I'm going to be using my eye, like my mirror that's in here. So, let's get started. Alright guys, so I grabbed my BH Cosmetics 24 brush, and this is what it looks like. It's a very fine brush. I'm into this brush. So I'm going to also put on some tape. So about this big of a piece, because you want it to go from here to your brow a little bit. So I'm going to put that on. And I'm going to make it kind of wide because I need a lot of room. Demonstrate on this side. Now I'll do this eye off camera, because that's what James Charles does. Sisters. Alright, let's put it on my eye. I'm kind of edging it a little bit closer to my brow bone and a little bit farther from my eye. See? Alright, so I got my 12 BH Cosmetics brush. James Charles. Come through. Alright, so this is going to be my transition shade. It's called Basic, because when you do a transition shade, it's basic. So let's just put that all over. I'm going to use my 24 BH Cosmetics brush, and I'm going to try to use basic in the most basic way possible. So, we're going to be going from dark to light like I always do, and we're going to go in with this Smashly. We're going to go with Smashly right here. And we're going to work that into my crease. Let's just hope this goes well. Alright, so I'm using this brown color right here. It's... I don't want to say the word, but it's right here. It's called Britches. Let's go in with Britches. Where's the pigment? Lord, come through. Britches, come through. And I'm going to be using a shade called Fried. What beauty guru shows their eyeshadows anymore? Me. I'm going to be going in with my 12 BH Cosmetics brush and blending this. That's cute. Now I'm going to be going in with the shade Whiskers. Okay. Oh my god. Now I'm going to be using the shade Alabama. And I'm going to work this into my crease and outwards. A lot of blending action going on. Still going in with Alabama. Now I'm going to be going in with the shade Yushi. Now I'm going to be going in the shade with the Yushi, and I'm going to blend that in. all I see is blue and green. Now I'm going to be going in with the shade Hissy Fit, which is me all the time. I'm going to put this wherever I would like it to go. Alright, now I'm going to be going in with the shade Mama Bud. What with the mama? They stole that from me. Wow, what a shock. Okay, now I'm going to be going in with the shade 1988. So I'm going to be like James Charles. I'm going to be going in with the shade Bubs. I hope this goes well. Whoa, this actually looks good. I didn't expect it to look like this. I was just playing around. Whoa. Maybe when I'm not trying. Alright. So now the last color I'm going to be going in with is Betty. And I'm just going to go in and do that. Everywhere! See that eyeball action? Alright, the last shade I'm going to be going in with is Large Muffin. And I'm going to blend that in my crease. And I'm also going to blend that on the outer. And then I'm going to do my crease cut! But I'm going to go in with this black shade right here. I'm going to... Alright, I'll be right back with my crease cut pre-dye. Give me my concealer. My organic concealer.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
I'm going to go in with Flaky, and I'm going to put that like right here. I'm going to put green, and I'm going to blend it in.
And on we'll go.
This is yellow. I'm going to go in with my lightly trusted palette and go over this orange, yellow. Go over this yellow shade and fix it. I'm saving it. Now I'm going to go in with this green color. Hey, this looks cool. Not with these. going to go in with my blending brush, go to Mama Bud and blend this. And then I want to put on some mascara, so let me snap back with mascara. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I went ahead and put my hair down while I was at it. So this is the finished look. This is the eyes. And this is my whole face. I hope you all enjoyed. Stay tuned for more videos just like this one. I love you guys. Stay beautiful. Bye.